So today I'm working on the ballast of an LED light. As I pulled the ballast out and unwrapped it, the one thing I noticed is this section right here on the board. You can see it's a bit more shiny in this circular area. It looks like this microchip here has had a little meltdown. I'm not sure if you can see that or how clear it's going to come out here. Let me give it a shot. Oh, well, anyhow, what we're going to try to do is pull that microchip off and put a new microchip on the board, just to see if that takes care of the problem. When looking at the board, you can see it's pretty clean. This is fairly a new light. You really don't see any marks, no bleeds. It looks like everything on the top of the board is in good condition. But of course, the one thing that you notice, as soon as you roll the board over, you see this shiny area, which is pretty much an indication that something in that part of the board has damage. In this case, I'm assuming that it's going to be this part right here. Due to the melting of the plastic, it doesn't have any identification numbers, which makes it a little difficult, of course, if you were going to attempt to order parts and things of that nature. Over here, you can see I have this little part